So the question and answer session, interactive session for the IASTM, the e-training workshop from Academy of Orthopedic Manual Physical Therapists, starting with queries for painkiller, oil or liniment. Okay, absolutely yes. Okay, especially if a patient tells, I have relief with this ointment. Okay, don't be hesitant like don't use it. I will relieve with the IASTM. Okay, patient feels it is relieving, use that together with the IASTM. Definitely, it's most welcome. Just check if the tool, for example, steel, it's always better to use a oil-based gel, oil-based elements. Okay, not the water-based one for the steel. Okay, so that will slip more, and it will get easily what is called as evaporating more. Okay, the water-based one in steel. Okay, steel picks up the heat. Okay, from the body when you are giving the friction. Okay, so don't use a water-based lubricant for steel. Okay, stainless steel tools. But if you are using oil-based, you don't use it for the natural one. Okay, so these are the choice of the lubricant and the gel. But most importantly, if the patient tells that relieving with symptoms means use that, definitely it's most welcome. A simplest and a plain neutral substance is the petroleum jelly. Okay, the Vaseline or something. Okay, directly. Every company also supplies the gel. I was telling you about the company which supplied this tool, which I have actually purchased. Okay, the 6 tools, all are very small. Okay, one this, the other this. Okay, all are named 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and this is the thumb. Okay, this is similar to the punching, and this is like the boxing one. Okay, all and the simple scraper tool. Okay, and the knife type tool. So you have these tools, and this is actually coming from Park, P-A-R-C. Okay, Park, that's the company. This is the only company, to my knowledge, which creates or manufactures the biodegradable tools, which is also durable and efficiently transmit the force. Okay, that's what I can see that. I have not checked it by putting in the water and seeing how long it takes to dissolve. Okay, but the property, the registered one, physically is biodegradable. So that way I prefer compared to the stainless steel. But if you see many of the companies, okay, we have a participant here, Dr. Catherine. She is also an entrepreneur, okay, fitness and conditioning products. And they have a better quality stainless steel polished one. I think the tool is polished with the stainless steel just to make it appear more professional. It's also made of biodegradable material. Okay, but that's what madam is telling now. Okay, so make sure that you choose the tool accordingly, and the lubricant also. Okay, depending on the skin type. Remember, whenever you YouTube for IASTM and then you see for shoulder or you see for elbow, they will give in all the directions. Okay, so and one video will be showing one direction. Okay, and you should have the logic first. Okay, I was showing you first of all the pathoanatomical reasoning. So the tissue dysfunction along the tissue, how to release the fascia. Okay, I was showing you. It was not regional. Okay, so it can be useful for any region. Okay, as long as the fascia you are releasing, and superficial and the deep fascia between that layers, and also multiple muscles. Contractions can actually be the progression. Position of the joint in a lengthened position will be the progression. Initially, position the joint in a shortened or relaxed position. Okay, the gliding will be more easier. Okay, and okay, moment you stretch it, and then if you are giving firm pressure, immediately the redness will come. Okay, in anybody, just manual pressure also. So make sure that it is added as a progression. Okay, winging of scapula, for example, you are talking about weakness of serratus anterior. IASTM, whether it can improve the strength of a particular muscle. Okay, that is up to mythical research, because you are releasing the adhesion. Because the release of the adhesion, muscle is free to work. Okay, So activation might improve. Okay, the excursion of the muscle play is improved, so it might improve. But direct neurophysiological mechanism is not there that it can strengthen the muscle. By using ISTM, will I be getting more and more stronger? Okay, no. Okay, maximum it is more and more. You will be becoming supple. Okay, more and more flexible, more and more fluid. Okay, more lubricant. Okay, more energy efficiency in your actions. It will help mostly in endurance, maybe. Okay, because there won't be collection of lactic acid or metabolites, okay, which is anaerobically that is happening. Okay, so anyway, remember that it's a passive technique, so it has its own limitations. So you should incorporate motor control and also kinesiotaping. Okay, motor control comes as preliminary before the ISTM. Okay, the stability training using balls or therabands, eccentric training. If the symptom do not allow a patient to do a motor control retraining, make sure that some bit of active physiological motion, because that actually brings the hyaluronic acid wherever they are, at least to the nearby area. Then after that, when you are doing the ISTM, it will be more effective. Okay, you can't taking from the head to the toe. Okay, with the tool. Okay, fully. Okay, like ultrasound, for example. Okay, you have to find the spot and then treat that. Okay, if patient tells pain everywhere, you can't give the ultrasound everywhere. Okay, so you have to be minimizing to a particular segment. That's why it's called as the sweet spot. Okay, and any more? If you are going to stretch the tissue, always I will prefer IASTM, then stretching is better. Okay, don't give a stretching as a warm up. Okay, give the aerobic activity as a warm up. Okay, like cycling, jogging, rhythmic, simple movements. Okay, which patient will enjoy. It may be throwing a ball, for example, in upper limb. Okay, don't stretch. Okay, when there are adhesions, don't try to stretch. Okay, it might create irregular microtrauma. Okay, everywhere. So always stretch after the ISTM, after the 24 hours at least. Okay, immediately after the ISTM, don't stretch. Okay, immediately after ISTM, we want that area to be facilitated. Okay, stretch will not facilitate. Okay, so better kinesiotape will take care, because the elastic recoil will be augmented by the tape, so that the area redistributes the fluid. Okay, and the metabolism is turnover is more, okay, faster. So we complete the interactive session for the instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization, and here we are happy to listen to people and see